Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to connect boards in Monday.com. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be wondering how to exactly connect your boards here in Monday.com. Well, connecting boards in Monday.com is fairly easy. So I actually have two boards here that I want to connect. So just the idea, this is my team workspace here, but I also have a new workspace here that maybe I want to connect a board. Like I have the other board in the new workspace section. So let's go and connect this to my team. Now let's go ahead and choose the team here. We have this one. Let's go ahead and click on the plus button on the board that you want to connect it. Let's go ahead and add column, and you want to go to more columns. Now scroll down a bit here. Look for connect. Now from here it should say connect board. Let's go ahead and click on select board. Now from here you want to go and select the board that you want to connect here. Like for example this one. Let's go and select this one and click on connect boards. Now, it's going to say create a mirror column here, which in this case allows you to mirror the status of that specific section, or in this case, the column that you'll be adding. Let's go and click on create a mirror column. Now, from here, you can go ahead and click on the other board here. Let's go and click on the plus button here. Now, you can go and just choose whichever item that you want to add for this specific task or item here. Let's go ahead and maybe I want to use the item one that we have here in our board or the other board. Now from here, as you can see, we also have mirror. Now in the mirror here, this will mirror the status. So if it changes, like for example, currently it's under stuck. Let's go and visit our other board here. Just give me the other board, and you have item 1, which is stuck. Let's go and go back to my teams, and let's go and update the status for it. Like for example, we want to update this to done. Once we've done that, let's go and go back into our other board. And as you can see, it's now marked as done. In this case, that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.